Hey guys, we're gonna be unboxing the Elite Collection WrestleMania Best of Pay-Per-View Big Show. And you know what I just realized? He does not have the Best of Pay-Per-View headquarters sticker. You can see that, but it doesn't really matter. So here we go. We're gonna cut the tape. And then open this up. It was actually pretty cool that they had all these logos. We actually managed. I actually was only gonna pick up like maybe one, but with all the logos, I was able to pick up all four. Let me try and get this one. Oh, okay, there we go. Okay, nothing is in here. So let's get the jacket out. Here's the jacket. The microphone. I have to. Okay, here we go. And then we gotta get his head out, which is down here. Here's the head. Here's the microphone. So yeah, let's get the Big Show out. If you guys know, I have the Big Show Elite 13. So yeah. They actually have the new basic Best of Pay-Per-Views out, and it's featuring a table and a chair from WrestleMania 28. Yeah, this is a really cool figure. Comes with this removable hat. So yeah, and I don't know if that's supposed to be there, but there's a white smudge. But yeah. You want to do a comparison? There you go. Oh. But yeah, overall this figure is great. It looks pretty good. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll see you guys later. Okay, bye!